Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a ramen noodle casserole recipe, and it's going to be a cheeseburger variation on it. So, you want to cook along, the recipe's down in the description box, and let's go check this recipe out. Okay, we have a large cast iron skillet, and we're going to put a chopped onion in there. We're going to get this frying up. As that's heating up, we're going to throw in this is 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And we're just going to help it piece it together, separate it rather. And we're going to cook this all down, and then we're going to strain the grease out of it. As you see, pretty much all the pink has been gone. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to strain this, and that is all grease that needs to come out of there. Okay, I strained it. You can see most of the grease is out, just a little bit. So now we're going to add 2 cups of beef broth. This will cool it down a little bit. This is going to add some flavor. We're going to bring this up to a boil, which will take a little bit longer. Okay, we brought this to a boil. Now we're going to add our ramen noodles. And I broke them up a little bit. This is just the ramen noodles. This isn't the salt packets. The salt packets go in the trash for this recipe. We're going to cook these till they're soft, roughly 3 minutes. Try to get them somewhat submerged into the broth. As you see, it's almost done. The noodles just about sopped up all the broth. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of ketchup. And a tablespoon of yellow mustard. And we're just going to stir this all up. And we're going to kill the heat. All right, we have a 9 by 13 cooking pan, casserole pan. We're going to shoot it with some non-stick spray. And then we're going to take our ramen noodle mixture and dump it in without getting burnt. Fan it out. Now we're going to coat the top with some cheddar cheese, 2 cups worth. All right, now we're going to stick this in the oven for about 20-25 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, 20 minutes. I took it out. It's been cooling for about 15, and this looks phenomenal. You can see how it is not stuck to the sides at all. And I'm going to take a little chunk out to try it. Oh, look at that. Ramen noodle casserole cheeseburger. All right, we're going to give this a try. This looks delicious. Mmm. The mustard and ketchup is really coming out with this. This tastes just like a cheeseburger with noodles, with ramen noodles. Yeah, very flavorful. Nice. The kids will love this. So, this is a classical gourmet. Wishing you happy cooking.